So the first two groups of plants are going to be non-vascular. So I'm going to say, number one, non-vascular seedless plants. And you're only going to see two main examples. You're going to see true mosses, and the true mosses are bryophytes. That's the name of the phylum. So the phylum is Bryophyta. And the dominant generation, remember you always have to know the dominant generation. The dominant generation for the bryophytes is the gametophyte generation. So I'm just going to write dominant gametophyte. Remember, the sporophyte for a moss is just a stalk that grows up out of the moss plant. It's a stalk, okay? You will see on the moss called the hair cap moss, you will see a structure like this, kind of. This is the gametophyte, only it's green. And then growing up out of the top of it is a stalk with a capsule on it. And this whole portion is the sporophyte. And this is the hair cap moss. Okay, and then down here I'll do the notes for the liverworts. So the other three specimens are called liverworts. They're related to the mosses, but they're in the phylum Hepato means liver, and the phylum is Hepatophyta. Hepatophyta. These are also non-vascular seedless, and their dominant generation is the gametophyte. So everything's the same as the mosses except the phylum. The liverworts and the mosses. Mosses are bryophytes, liverworts are hepatophytes. Now, Katie, if you will, put your camera on the bryophytes. These are our examples of bryophytes. One is called the haircap moss, and then number 5 is called the bog moss. They are both true mosses or bryophytes. And then over here are our liverworts. Numbers 2, 3, and 4 are all examples of liverworts, and those are in the phylum Hepatophytes. Now end.